Good morning, folks. I'm still in Belize, Central America, and I don't know if you can, but I'm hoping you can hear those howling monkeys in the background. They don't sound so spooky to me anymore. Yeah, but they start going off about 7 in the morning. Can you hear them? Yep, those are the howling monkeys. I got a screen in front of my door. I don't know if we want to get up close to see what those howling monkeys look like close up and personal. But it's quiet except for the monkeys this morning. Just finished my yoga. Talk to you soon.